Thank you for your interest in choosing our DFS-Sphere eForm solutions for K-12 schools. DFS-Sphere eForm is easy to use, easy to implement, and easy to maintain. In this 10-minute short video, we're going to show you how to use DFS-Sphere eForm to fill out and submit a form, how to approve a form, and how to check form approval status. So what you see here on the screen is the logon page. On the left-hand side, we can replace this with your school logo. To begin with this demo, let's type in the user's name and password. As you log in, you will see a list of different forms. These are just typical examples, such as the student enrollment form or the requisition form. For this short demo, though, we are going to go over the absence request form. To select this form, click on this form, and it will open up the form. As you see on the screen, some fields have been automatically populated by the system. This will save you some typing time and prevent typing error. To begin with, select a campus from the drop-down list. Then fill out any necessary information. First, select the absence type. Then select a date range. Go ahead and select the unit, and you can add a reason if you want. There are other fields, and they are all custom designed depending on your need, but we will not spend time on them in this demo. Go ahead and type in the submitter's name. Here you can attach a document if you want to. And then to submit the form, click the Submit button. A confirm message will ask if you want to submit this form. Select OK to submit the form. And it is done. Once you have submitted a form, the system will send a confirmation email to the submitter with a copy PDF file of the submitted form. Now we have come to approve the form. There are two ways to approve a form: through email or logging on to the system. The first way I will show you is through email. In the approver email account, there should be a notification email, and in it, there is a link in the email like this one on the screen. Click the link to open the form. On the bottom of the form, there are approve, deny, and cancel buttons. To approve the form, click the Approve button. Again, a pop-up message will ask if you want to approve this form. Select OK to approve the form. Now the system will route the form to the next approver with a notification email. In our case, the next approver is the superintendent. Now I will show you the second way, which is to approve the form in the system. Alright, we're going to log into the system as the superintendent. Click the menu item Workflow Inbox. All forms waiting for the superintendent's approval are listed in the workflow inbox. You can open the form by clicking the list. Notice the form has already been approved by the principal with the principal's signature. If the approver has signature loaded into the system will use the signature. Otherwise, the system will use the approver's username. Now let's go ahead and approve this form. Select OK to approve this form. Notice that after you have approved the form has completely disappeared from the approver's workflow inbox. Now the form is routed to the last approver, which is the business manager. Now I will show you how to check form status. When you have logged onto the system, click the Search Form menu item. You can use filter when searching forms, for example, the submitter's name, campus, or form status. On the Search Form page, click the Search Form button. The system will list the forms which match your search criteria, such as. Now click the Recent Absence form in the list under the Status header. The system will display the approval workflow of the form. In our case, the absence form has 3 approval steps: principal, superintendent, and business manager. The form has passed through 2 approvals, which are the principal and the superintendent. Now is the business manager's workflow inbox. Click the business manager approver, and the system will show the approver's information such as the username and email. Since the last approver is the business manager, we will complete the approval through email. In the business manager's email account, open the notification email. Click the link to open the form. Scroll down and click the Approve button to approve this form. Once again, a pop-up message will ask whether you know or not you want to approve this form. Select OK. After the last approval, the system will send a confirmation email to the form submitter with a copy of the approved form. And with that, the approval process is complete. DFS-Sphere eForm is easy to maintain. Most administrators in our system are non-technical people, for example, the superintendent, IT director, and HR director. There are other nice features of our system. For example, submitters can check status by themselves. Approvers can set up substitute to approve form for them when they are out of office. DFS-Sphere eForm is scalable and flexible without involvement of your IT personnel. It has a very reasonable price and is affordable to small and mid-sized schools. For more details, please contact us for a product demo.